Ladies and gentlemen, I have not really let you down these past couple weeks, and it is not my intentions to let you down now. We have for you a potential breakout of $41 or 11%. That's kind of the best case scenario. Right now, minimum, I see a move on Roku probably going to at least this $45 price. And it's really my belief that we're going to be seeing Roku trading up to $385 within maybe a couple weeks. It is my belief that we are starting to see a bottom on Roku and a new uptrend to the upside. It just depends how quickly this move is going to take off. So we're going to run through all of the technicals on this stock right now, and we'll start with kind of the uptrend, downtrend, trend line thingy-magigger. So anyways, you will see back in this moment in time, we were uptrending, market went up, and then it broke down. So now we're going into a downtrend. So we go into a downtrend. You will now see that the market has crossed above that. But what do you need to suggest you're in an uptrend first and foremost? You would need a higher low. So you will see that the markets here were going down, creating lower highs and lower lows, etc., etc. We have just broken that downtrend. We have now created what looks to be a higher low. We have yet to break above the previous price action swing high, or wait, maybe we did. I think we did. Excuse me. Let me zoom in. Yes, we broke above the previous resistance top swing high, which is suggesting uptrend has really started. You will see that today the volume is all on the buy side and it's pretty insane. The other thing you will see when I change this, bring this down here, is if we look at our regular volume, you will see that we had gotten a volume beat here on this day. Look at the volume on the buy side. The volume beats the previous selling wave, thus buyers starting to take control. Roku then bounces up for a couple days and trades in here, which is really a flag pattern. So it trades bearish a couple days, doesn't break down, then we get another green volume beat over the past couple trading sessions. You will see then we get some seller beats here that take out this previous buy candle. So you might argue it's going down, but shortly after you will see that just now we have broken up, started breaking out a little bit, and we have a volume beat. So these are all really good signs for the stock. A couple things that I will also point out to just feed you with more hopium is you will see that the only big selling wave that existed on Roku was really this wave. This wave went down, big seller wave. Then we bounced, trickled down, selling waves were not as big. Then we bottom, bounce up a little bit, pull back slightly, look at the selling waves in the pullback, non-existent. The only thing that really existed inside, and let me delete these old drawings so we kind of cleared this up. Sorry. Now looking at the next thing is in this pullback area. Okay, so in that little pullback, which we're gonna change, no, just this pullback, look at the selling waves, non-existent, and they were red. On the TTM squeeze, whenever you see red dots, the first two green dots to follow after red dots is implying a squeeze. So you had big selling wave, comes down, goes down more, not as big of a selling wave as a previous wave. Bonus. You're getting volume buyer beats. You have your first higher low. You have your downtrend break above previous top resistance. Okay. TTM red followed by 2 green implicates squeeze. Looking at the 4 hour, hold on, let me just feed you a little more hopium here. Bullish divergence on daily chart starting back from 914, low, new low, RSI low, higher low, bullish divergence, okay? That's on the daily. Go to the 180-day 4-hour chart. Okay, 180-day 4-hour chart, bullish divergence, same thing. Started 913, 914. High or low, low, high or low, momentum up. Awesome, okay? Now, again, the other thing here is when we look at the 4-hour chart, the 4-hour chart just got back to its statistical mean. In other words, this is a breakout level. So a lot of times it can hold as resistance, but if you're successful at breaking out, there's going to be a big momentum move. It is my belief that we're really trying to break this out, and it is going to break out. And there's a couple reasons why. One of the reasons is because we've surpassed this previous top. So if anybody shorted this top, right, they're probably starting to get squeezed out. Second thing, this was a bull flag, right? So we pretty much just did like a bull flag here, a little sideways consolidation bull flag. And now we're breaking up. So if this were resistance, there's a whole lot of pent up momentum that's starting right here to get jammed down by resistance. Think about that. If it was really meant to hold as a resistance, why in the hell are everybody deciding to buy it up right before resistance? My belief, it's going to break out. That's why we have so much pent up volume just before that level. So it's my belief that we are probably going to be going for a daily chart move, I believe, to the statistical mean of 382. So it's my belief that the 4-hour chart is what we're going to use as the breakout time frame, and the daily chart is what we'll be using as the resistance top time frame. So I believe over the next couple weeks, there is a strong chance you see Roku hit $383. Gave it a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe a month. Nonetheless, I believe even by tomorrow morning, you will see Roku hit a price of $354 to maybe even $345. So that we don't get too ahead of ourselves, just know that the current long-term target, well, I'm gonna say long-term, but the current target I'm going for on Roku next are these 2 dotted white lines. Once we surpass this, we will then start to be more hopium on the 383 target. So yes, hold on, sorry. So we are looking for 365 to 353 by tomorrow morning. That would be ideal. If we get up and through these levels, it's going to this level. Again, if we go through 352, then we go through 360, the market will go to 384, ladies and gentlemen. And that's really all the analysis I have for you. I hope you guys take this analysis and do with it what you may. I believe the market is bullish. This morning on our live stream, we got long Roku here with the first target of 341. That was achieved today. I am not here to lie to you or give you misinformation or misguide you. I truly believe you will see Roku ending up at a price of $354 by tomorrow morning, if not up to $364, and maybe in a couple weeks, $383. If it ends up happening, just make sure to like the video. That's all. Love you guys. Take care. See you in the next one.